Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to get approved for AMEX Gold Card step by step. So first is you have to understand the card requirements. So before you apply, you have to know what AMEX typically looks for. So first, they are looking for good to excellent credit. So generally, FICO 670 plus, but ideally 700 plus is recommended. They are also looking for people with steady income. So while there's no public minimum, it helps to have income that can support spending and repayment. And lastly is the responsible credit use. So first you have to have the low credit utilization with 30% and no recent bankruptcies and no major delinquencies. And next is you have to check your credit reports. So before applying, you have to get your free credit reports at the annualcreditreport.com. So you can just visit their website, and from there you can have the free credit reports. And you have to verify that all accounts are accurate, no errors or fraudulent accounts, and your utilization is healthy. So just a tip, you have to dispute any errors before applying. Next is to pre-qualify online. So AMEX offers a pre-qualification tool that won't hurt your credit. So you can visit the AMEX pre-qualification page, and from there you have to enter your information and see if you get an offer for the gold card. So just a note, you have the pre-approval is not a guarantee, but it's a good sign. Now, after that, you have to gather your info. So you have to have these ready when you apply. So first is the social security number, the annual income, the employer details or source of income, and lastly is the housing payment or the rent mortgage. And after that, just when you're ready, you can apply online. So go to the American Express Gold Card page and then click on apply now from here, tap on this one, and then fill out the form carefully and accurately. And once you're done, submit your application and you will typically get a decision within 30 seconds. So that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!